If you've gone through the inspection process and determined that the locking mechanism is not functioning properly, it may need to be cleaned and lubricated. Start with a container of clean water, maximum temperature 25 Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a neutral pH liquid detergent that's free of dyes or other additives. Submerge the carabiner in the water and operate the locking mechanism, allowing it to snap closed several times. This helps to flush the solution through the mechanism. Use a soft bristle brush to remove debris from the carabiner body and the locking mechanism. Operate the barrel to expose as much of the gate as possible. Brush debris out and away from these areas. Also clean the nose and the nose slot. Rinse in fresh water, operating the locking mechanism while doing so. A container of fresh water is also a suitable alternative to running water. Shake the carabiner and allow the gate to snap closed in order to expel excess water. Dry the carabiner with a clean cotton cloth. Continue to operate the mechanism and wipe away as much water as possible. Carefully flush the mechanism with a fine stream of compressed air. This speeds the drying process and may dislodge any remaining debris. DMM recommends using the lowest possible pressure to avoid displacing internal components and avoid personal injury. Consult your local regulations for maximum allowable air pressure. Hang the carabiner upright with the hinge facing downward. This allows water to drain from the internal spring cavity. The final step is to lubricate the mechanism. This will be covered in the follow-up video, Lubrication of Auto-Locking Carabiners.